Okay, guys. So let's set up our budget on AWS. So you can see this is my AWS user account. You can see. So this user account is what I created for my root account. If I go to my root account now, if I go to IAM, if I go to user now, I'm going to see that particular account. So you are going to see it here. So this is it. Request, you see. So this request now is the user. This is my root account. You can see. So this is my root account. You can see my root account. Why this particular one? And what is my user account? So this one was created from this particular root account. So now, what I want to do first is that I want to access my billing and cost management from my user account. I want to see if I can access it. So let's click on billing and cost information and cost management. So if I click on it, so you can see now everything is access denied, access denied, access denied, access denied. You can see. So it means that you cannot use user account to access, to access your billing information. You understand? So what you have to do now for you to use user account to access, so you have to use root account. So you log in into your root account like this. Now inside your root account, just come to this place inside your root account now. So go to accounts. Now inside your account now, just scroll down, scroll to the bottom. You see IAM user and role access to billing information. You see it now. Edit it. Then click on this box and update. Now you can see it's showing us this is updated, Abby. Now go back to this user account, then refresh. Let me refresh this page and see. Now you see that we still did not have access to this billing information. The reason is because this particular user is not an admin. Request is not an admin. So let's go back to our thing. Now, if I go back to IAM in this place, and I go back to the users, I can see these are the users I have. I have request, I have Lakon, this one, I have this. Now, this request now is not an admin. If I go to the group now, let me go to user group. Now you see under group now, I have developer, I have admin. I have one person under developer. You can see. So I have request under developer. It's under developer, not admin. Now, if I go back now, and this admin now, if I click, you see there's nobody under admin. I did not add anybody. So there's no name under admin. So if I had user now and I click request, I add request into admin. Just watch what is going to see. One user added, meaning I've added request to the admin. Now if I go back to my user account now, this user account now, if I come back to it and I refresh. Now you see that I have access to billing information. So I can use this account now to have access to all my billings. So these are all my billings since I started using this account. So this is last month, and don't be scared. These costs, they are from when I opened this account this year. So they gave me $100, I think $100 or $200. So it is out of the money that they are estimating that they are removing. The highest I've spent on this thing is nothing less than $1. So don't be scared. So that is it. So this is how to use user to access billing and cost information. So from here now you can see your billing, you can see your cost. Now what we are going to do now is we are now going to set up our budgets. So now we are going to set up our budget. So for us to set up our budget, just go to this left part, then click on budgets. See, click on this budget. Click on budgets. Once you get to this point now, so what you are going to do now is you are going to what? You are going to create budgets for your account. So just click on create budgets, then leave it as use template. You can see simplified, or you can choose customize. Then pick zero budget. You can see create a budget that notifies you once you spend exceeding 0.01. So once whatever all the service you own, any kind of service, whether it's to IDS, any kind of service that you own, that you are spending more than this amount, they are going to notify you on your Gmail. They are going to get notified. So you can name it my zero spend budget. You can see it, or you can give it any name that you feel like giving it. Then here you put your email. So let me put my email. .com. So now I put my email. So you can see you will be notified via email any spend above this. You see it now. Then move down, then click on create budget. Automatically I've created this budget. You can see. So once my budget exceeded this amount, they are going to notify me straight away. So that is